Hi, welcome to Commonsense Philosophy. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 top skills to learn to make more money this year. Each of the skills I'm about to share with you will bring to you upward of tens of thousands of dollars or more than that, depending on how much you want. Will you not like that? Welcome back. Welcome to Commonsense Philosophy. For a moment, think as if you are the CEO of Amazon. What is that one thing? That one thing that you can't get enough of? You got it. Sales and profit. Every organization, big and small, every company, big and small, cannot get enough of sales and profit. So, if you can help any company solve this problem, they will reward you bountifully. You may say that, no, I'm not a sales and marketing person. Yes, you may not be a sales and marketing person, but everybody is selling something. You may be selling an idea, you may be selling yourself, you may be selling your product. Irrespective of your field, improvement of your sales and marketing will help you tremendously in your communication, thereby helping you to better influence company decisions. This will make you more valuable at your company, which will lead to more pay. And if you have your company, if you have your own thing, this will help you in better hiring higher quality employees and also motivating and influencing the employees you already have. One of the easiest ways of improving your sales and marketing skills is to pick a good book by an expert in the field. This book will provide you how to better manage your product, better market, and better bring in more sales and profit. So, look critically into your schedule. Can you get 1 or 2 books? Can you enroll in some online courses? Do you have a mentor that is accessible that you can go to and take some lessons? One of the books that I do recommend is in the description below. Great! I do hope you've been getting tremendous value from this information so far. If that is it, let's ride on. Nowadays, a lot of companies are moving their marketing strategies online. And this brings us to the second most important skill to learn this year in order to make more money. Digital skills. What can you do to drive sales digitally? What can you do to better position your company digitally? Can you write very interesting sales copies that sell products? Are you good in banner design and banner ads? Social media campaigns? Again, all these skills are not skills you necessarily have to return to the college for. You can enroll in Google Digital Skills. Improving and increasing your digital skills will open you up to new opportunities, open you up to possible freelance jobs. And if you are seeking a new job, having digital skills as one of your skills and competence will help you drastically and set you apart from the many. I do hope you are getting tremendous value from this information so far. Now, skill 3 to learn to make more money. If all you can do with your computer is basic word formatting, checking pictures, and browsing the internet, then this skill will drastically 10x, 100x your income. In your current profession, in your current business, in your current hustle, there are many soft skills that will increase your productivity and decrease the time and effort you spend for the same amount of results. What soft skill can you acquire? If you have a talent in drawing, why not learn and become more proficient in graphic design? With the digitalization accelerating, graphic designers are highly needed nowadays. What about podcast editing? Can you mix audio? Podcasting is going through the roof this year, 2020. And as more podcasts are released, more podcast editors are needed. You can feel that need and be rewarded bountifully with a lot of money in your pocket. What about video editing? Advanced word formatting? The number of books being published every year is going up. Word formatting, book formatting, book publishing, book promotion. These and many more are some of the soft skills you can learn to improve your income irrespective of how much you currently earn. Thank you for staying tuned. I do hope you've been getting tremendous value from this information so far. I understand you are a busy person and you want more money, and I congratulate you for investing your time in learning how you can make more money by updating your skills. On a final note, improve your leadership skills. Everywhere there are machines, everywhere there are tasks to be done, people are needed. People are needed to man machines. Wherever there are people, leaders are always needed. Leaders that transform organizations, leaders that promote and improve the economy are few. Again, improving your leadership skills do not mean going back to school. You can improve your leadership skills by joining an organization like JCI, Rotaract. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying to the end. I've been your host, Akeem Adebisi, and it's been Commonsense Philosophy. Like what you heard? Give us a thumbs up. What was your biggest takeaway from this video? Let us know in the comment below. At Commonsense Philosophy, our goal is to help you remove all those obstacles to your greatness, as we believe there are no obstacles to your greatness, no obstacles, no limits to the income you can make, but the limits, the obstacles you set yourself. It's been Akeem Adebisi on another episode of Commonsense Philosophy. Check out other videos and see you next week Wednesday. Bye bye.